Trying to find a Coursera voucher code and wondering how to actually apply it? In this quick guide, I'll show you how Coursera discounts work, how to activate the current Coursera Plus deal, and what you should check before subscribing. And before we continue, there's a link in the description that takes you directly to the official Coursera Plus discount page where you can check the latest available offer. Right now, Coursera is running a limited-time Coursera Plus promotion where eligible new subscribers can get the monthly plan for $14.40 instead of the regular $24 monthly price for the first 3 months. According to the official Coursera page, the offer is available for a limited time. Now here's how to apply a Coursera voucher code or discount offer step by step. First, open the official discount link in the description. Once you arrive on the Coursera Plus page, the discounted pricing is usually applied automatically. In many cases, you do not need to manually type in a voucher code because the promotional link already activates the reduced price. Next, sign into your Coursera account or create a new one. Then choose the Coursera Plus subscription plan and continue to checkout. Before paying, confirm that the lower promotional price is visible on the payment page. After completing checkout, your Coursera Plus membership becomes active immediately. With Coursera Plus, you can access more than 10,000 online courses, specializations, guided projects, and professional certificate programs from companies and universities like Google, IBM, Meta, Duke University, and the University of Michigan. This is one reason why many learners choose Coursera Plus instead of buying courses separately. If you plan to complete multiple programs during the year, the subscription can save a significant amount of money. Another major benefit is flexibility. You can explore different subjects like AI, data science, programming, cybersecurity, business, marketing, or project management without paying for each course individually. Coursera also allows eligible learners to earn certificates after completing programs, which can help strengthen resumes and LinkedIn profiles. Just remember that some promotions may only apply to new Coursera Plus subscribers and availability can vary depending on your country. If you want to see whether the current Coursera voucher code discount is still active, check the official Coursera Plus link in the description below before the promotion ends.